Hi, you guys. Today we're going to do something pretty fun and a little bit different. We're going to be making some spiral snails. So make sure your voices are off and your listening ears are on. Let's go ahead and get started. So to get started, we are going to have one of these snail papers. You're going to look and listen first, and then I'll pass out all of our papers and we'll start work time. You're going to start with one of these snail papers, and what I want you to do first is flip it over, and on the back, in the middle, find a spot to write your name. We want to do it somewhere in the middle because then our name will still be on it when we cut out our snail. So we're going to start with our snail and our name on the back. Then we are going to color and decorate our snail. You can use whatever materials are at your table to color and decorate your snail. So that might be markers, colored pencils, crayons. You can use whatever materials are at your table to color and decorate your snail however you want. Once you've colored it in using the materials at your table, you're ready to use the scissors at your table to cut it out. You're going to go along the outside of all of the black lines and you are going to cut it out. Once you've cut it out along that black line on the outside, you're going to take your trash and throw it away in the trash can that is by the door or by my desk. And then you're going to cut along the black line that swirls around. And once you cut along this black line, you're not cutting anything out. You're not cutting it in half, but you're going to cut along the black line, right? So if we look at this blank example, you're going to cut along this black line there, and then you're going to have a spiral snail. So once you've cut it, there we go, it's kind of hard to see on here, but once you've cut it, you'll have a spiral snail like this. You can turn it around and make sure that your name is still on the back, and if you need to, you can write your name again. You're going to keep it with you because today you are going to get to take it home. You are going to get to take it home. So keep it with you at your table. You can get one coloring page or free draw paper, or you could read a book from my Early Finishers Library. That's the black bookshelf at the back of the room near the door. You could read a book at your table from my Early Finishers Library. Remember, if you're going to go to the Creator Corner, you have to have your ticket with you and turn it into me. If you have any questions, raise your hand. Otherwise, I'll be around the room to help.